everyone. I hope you are all doing so well. This is Noreen. In today's video, we are going to talk about phonics. What are the phonics? Phonics are the sounds of letters. As we all know, we have 26 letters from letter A to letter Z. And we have their sounds as well. Why we learn the sounds? We learn the letter sounds to read words. In early years of education, we always focus that a child should learn the sounds of letters. If he or she is able to identify the letter sounds, it is very easy for him or her to read the words. They are able to do the blending or segmenting of given words. So phonics help us in reading and writing as well. Aliza is here with me. In today's lesson, I am going to teach her all the letters and their phonic sounds. Aliza, are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready to learn the phonic sound?
Yes.
Okay, so let's move towards the phonics activity. Okay, Aliza, now we are going to read the letters and their sounds. Okay, so starting from the letter A, say A, A, B,
B,
B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, R is the letter and the sound is R. S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Okay, so these were alphabets and their letter sounds. We have done the activity on flip-flop alphabet blocks. This activity is suitable for the children of age 3 and 3 plus up to 5 years of old. With this activity, children are able to learn the letters and their sounds.